Hello, this is Gabriela with another video. Okay, let's talk about few questions from our Money Robot users, okay? The first one, how to move Money Robot account from one PC to another PC. It's really important to know you can use two equipment, can be VPS, can be your laptop, for each one license, okay? That means one license, two PC, two VPS, you know? Okay. That means you share accounts between one machine and the other one. Means if you are on one PC and another PC, PC1 and PC2 or VPS and VPS2, you know, if you are in two different machines, you are sharing your accounts. Means all the accounts you have under your license, okay, are gonna be here, and it's gonna be in PC1 and PC2, okay? What is not sharing on that specific moment, if I create this account campaign here, that campaign is gonna be in PC1, doesn't going to exist in PC2, okay? That's really important to know. We are sharing accounts because you are creating new category or reusing the category from those accounts. You are working with those accounts in the same Money Robot license, okay? But you are not sharing the campaigns. Whatever campaigns you are doing in PC1 is gonna be in PC1, and whatever you are doing in PC2 is gonna be in PC2. That's the difference, okay? Let's go to the next question. How to move accounts in Money Robot Submitter. I'm gonna leave you in the description area the video I made already about how to move accounts. Means simple. If I have some categories on this side, I made a mistake, I'm putting in another one, or just simple, I'm gonna merge two accounts. You have a way to move from one to another one, okay? We're not talking about that on this video because I already made one. I'm just gonna leave it on the description area. And the other really important, okay, question is, it is possible to move accounts, share accounts, you know, not shares, move account from one license to another license. That's definitely, you can do it, but that's something our support team is gonna do it for you. You are not doing it by yourself. I mean, we can move from one account, email at email.com to email 123@email.com. Okay, we can do that. Okay, our support team can help you. You can contact me through Telegram, email, or live chat. I hope this helped you guys, and let me know if you have any questions. Just put it on the comment area. Until the next video, bye.